Hi, this is Romario with Craft and Design Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your contour tool in Cricut Design Space. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. So the first step for this project, we're going to click on Upload, and I'm going to use this pumpkin image to demonstrate how to use the contour tool, and I'm going to click on Add to Canvas. So here's my pumpkin. I'm going to make a copy of this one. I'm going to drag it beneath the original picture, original image. And then we're going to click on the contour tool right here on the bottom right corner. And first we're going to focus on the leaves. So we're going to basically delete the parts that are not the leaves. And as you can see, it'll turn gray as you do it. And also, like, you can see how they disappear from the copy image that we just made a copy. So we're just going to delete all of these. And I'm going to change the color to green. And see if we can move it to the original image. This one's actually perfect, but if this was not aligned the way it is, you could use the arrow keys to make it look aligned. I just kind of got it the first time there. And then we're gonna right click on the leaf and click Send to Back. And now we're gonna do the other part of the pumpkin. So we're gonna make another copy. Drag it over here, and we're gonna kind of repeat the same process. I'm gonna click on contour. Now this time we're gonna eliminate everything that's not the pumpkin. Just like that. And then we're gonna change the color to like an orange color. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna try to align right here. And this time I'm gonna quote unquote mess it up on purpose so I can show how to fix it. So you can make it a little bigger, and then you click on the pumpkin. And using the arrow key, you can adjust to align. And same thing, we're gonna click Send to Back. All right, so now that you have, Control Z is your best friend. Everything ready, you can send it to cut. So you're gonna click on Make It. I usually use this mat and hit confirm. And then you have Cricut will have each color of your design separated like in a different mat. And that's how you use the contour tool in Cricut Design Space.